Hi, I'm Sean Jones, General Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, heated seats, leather seats, sun moonroof, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power driver's seat, navigation system, anti-lock brakes, heated seats, traction control, passenger airbag, driver airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.